Hi all, this is Nidhi here. So today's topic is factors affecting price elasticity of demand. That means the demand is changing, but on what basis my demand is changing? Let us discuss the several factors. First factor is the nature of commodity. That means whether it is a necessary commodity or luxurious commodity determines the price elasticity of demand. Children, always remember two words, elastic and inelastic. Elastic means change. Inelastic means no change with the change in price. So if there is a change in demand, so we will say elastic demand. For necessary food, necessary items such as food, salt, medicines, it is necessary for the existence. So whatever be the price, that is high or low, we will buy the same quantity of that commodity. For example, food. Without food you cannot survive, so you need the food for your existence. So if the price is high or low, my demand will be constant. So what happened there? The impact on demand is small with the change in price. We say inelastic demand. On the other hand, luxurious items like costly car, costly furniture, fashionable garments, these are not necessary for the existence. So that time my demand is elastic in nature. That means suppose if the costly furniture price falls down, my demand will be high for that time. So that time my demand changes with the change in price. We say elastic demand. Clear children, first point. Second is the availability of substitutes. The commodity which has close substitutes have elastic demand. For example, Coke and Pepsi. These are two close substitutes. Suppose if the price of Coke falls down, what you will do as a consumer? You will take more Coke because price is fallen down. In place of Pepsi, you will buy more Coke. That time the demand for Coke is very high. So that time we will say elastic demand. But on the other hand, if there is no close substitutes of Coke, only Coke is available in the market, there is no other soft drink. So whether the price is high or low, your demand will be same for Coke. So that time we will say inelastic demand. Clear? Now, number of uses of a commodity. The commodity which puts for a large variety of uses have elastic demand. Suppose price of milk falls down. That time your demand for milk increases. If you want to prepare sweets, cheese, curd, butter from milk, you can prepare it because the price is fallen. So that time your demand for milk will be more because the price of milk has fallen down and you need to prepare many items from the milk like cake, cheese, butter, so many things you can prepare. So that time your demand will be more. So that time it will be elastic demand. But if the demand, suppose if the price of milk, is rises, that time your demand will decrease. And you will use that milk only for the important purpose, that is only for drinking, only for one purpose. That time my demand will be inelastic. Clear? Now postponement of the use. So postponement, the demand which you can postpone will have to be elastic demand. Suppose you have the functions after 1 month in your home. So if you need the bridal lehenga, what you can do, suppose if you think that bridal lehenga, my price will be fallen down after few days, so you will postpone your demand that time. So after few days my demand will be, what happens if the price will fall, your demand will be more at that time. After few months you can postpone it. That time my demand will be elastic demand. Clear? Suppose the price will be fallen down after few months, you will demand that time. So demand will be elastic that time. But if you need the commodity in urgent basis, suppose tomorrow you have a function and you need the bridal lehenga today in the urgent need, that time price is high or low, your demand is constant that time. That means you will demand, you need that item today only. So that time my demand will be inelastic. Clear? Clear? If you postpone your demand for the later on, that time my demand will be elastic. Okay. And if you need in the urgent basis today, whether the price is high or low, you don't care about. So that time my demand will be inelastic. Clear? income of the consumer. So income of the consumer also affects the price elasticity of demand. There are two types of people here, high income people and low income people. So high income people will not be affected by the price, whether it is high or low, such as Ambani's, such as there are many celebrities, businessmen, cricketers, there are many other celebrities are there, so they are not affected by the price. So only rich persons can afford the high price. That time only the rich person will afford it and will demand for the richer items. So poor people will not afford, so that time my demand from the rich persons only will come, so my demand will be inelastic. And low income group, on the other hand, low income group will be affected by the price. When the price of any commodity falls down, low income people will demand more of the commodity. That time low income people, if price of any commodity falls down, low income people will demand more of the commodity. That means my demand will be elastic in nature. Clear? And highly income people my demand will be inelastic in nature. Whatever be the price, they will pay. So that time they are not affected by the price. So that time my demand will be inelastic. Habit of the consumers. Habit of the habituated people or addicted people. That time demand will be inelastic. Suppose cigarette. It is addicted people will drink the cigarette, will take the cigarette, whether the price is high or low, they are addicted. So they will demand the cigarette at any cost, at any price. That time my demand will be inelastic. Price level. Price level is also affected by the elasticity of demand is also affected by the price level. So demand for costly goods like TV, costly cars, suppose you can say costly paintings. So if the demand, suppose if the price falls down, that time suppose price of costly cars falls down, you will demand more car that time. So demand is very sensitive to change in price. But the goods which are inexpensive like salt, needle, if the price is like, suppose the price of needle, suppose if the price of needle falls down, so will you buy more of the needle, many of the needles at a time? So what happens that time, demand for inexpensive goods like salt, needle, etc. is inelastic, because changes in the price of such goods do not change their demand. That time the demand is inelastic. Clear? Thank you. So if there are any query, any doubt, please write it in my comment box so that I can clear your doubts. Thank you.